Hello everyone, a quick update on the OCT Composites kit plate. What I ended up doing, you can see the mounts here. I replaced the stock hardware. I had some issues with the quarter turn bolts, and so I ended up getting these kits on Amazon. They are just regular bolts and units. Compared to the stock one, the OCT composite is slightly thicker and doesn't compress as much as the plastic, so it was hard to get those guys to come and clip in. Here I have, you can see with the washer, it's about the same size as the regular quarter turn bolt, but I have, they are longer. So I put them on the side. And those clips are much easier to put on and they fit on all the anchoring points. So I ended up upgrading the hardware here on all the mounting points. You can see here all the bolts have been upgraded, all the anchoring points, same thing for the brake ducts, mounts here, and all the bumper support. So I really recommend upgrading to this hardware. Much cheaper. It's very inexpensive. It's about the same weight, and it's way more solid than the stock quarter turn and won't fall off with vibrations.